Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we have a trimmer, like a weed whacker, but it's a DeWALT. And it uses the infamous 20 volt max batteries. This happens to be a 5 amp hour, this is a 3 amp hour, and this is the traditional 1.3 amp hour. Now, I was going to get a different one, but I said, you know what, let me see if DeWALT actually has a trimmer, you know, like a weed whacker, and they did, so I bought it. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to get this. I'm just doing an unboxing like right here. Seems pretty straightforward. Wow, this is pretty cool. Oh wow, so it's a little push button. Push this in and voila. There's an Allen key here to tighten it up, and the screws for it. So I'm actually looking extremely forward to this. This is what you call a no-frills review, that's for sure. Trying to, you know, get all the DeWALT hardware that they have, and because I have tons of batteries. So I want to see how long this lasts and see if it's worthwhile. This is a string, and this is the safety. The trigger won't go anywhere until you pull this down. I hope this comes with string. That would kind of suck. Oh, it does. Okay, good. All right, so it's a dual string. So it's got one on one side, one on the other. That's actually good news. That's 13. It's a 20 volt max system, lithium. 13-inch, I guess, path that it actually, you know, goes with, which is nice. So we're going to give this a shot. We'll give it a shot outside and see how well it works. I'm looking extremely forward to it. Looks like the same motor as my chainsaw, my DeWALT chainsaw. And we'll put this whole thing together and see how well this thing performs. That's awesome. One thing that is actually really unique with this is that it's variable. Alright, so it actually finally died. So now it doesn't work anymore. So that's pretty long. I was able to do pretty much the entire yard with a 1.3 amp hour battery. That's not bad. So you'll be able to get, if you had a 3 amp or a 5 amp, you'll be able to do a larger yard than this. I'm pretty impressed actually. I wasn't expecting it to last as long as it did. So that's good news. So this will definitely get the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating, and I'm just overly impressed with this whole thing. It's really nice. I like it. I'm going to rate this. Going to give this the JoeteckTips Instant Awesome rating. I absolutely love it. I think it's an absolutely incredible product. It works extremely well. I like it that it's actually variable. I mean, I'm going to do it right now. And this is the safety. The trigger won't go anywhere until you pull this down. It's a great product. I'm very impressed. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.